Hello everybody and welcome to another Flutter video tutorial. In this video tutorial, I'm going to talk about the gesture detector, what is really gesture detector is and how it is work. So as you can see on the screen, I prepared a simple project that show you the gesture detector on it. But before doing that, I'm going to tell you what is gesture detector. Gesture detector it will just whatever click or whatever tap happen on your screen on your tablet mobile phone screen when you are, for example, tapping, when you are sweeping, or when you are dragging and dropping, and even you can for example sweep from one corner to another corner, and from uh, top to bottom, and from center to everywhere you want on the screen. This gesture detector will detect your finger or your action on the screen. And let's see this app, how this app work on gesture detector. So as usual, we have the main dot dot. As you can see, the main method here, it will return the my app, which is an stateless widget, and there is a static string title for the app that we can use it on our title. As you can see in the build method, we return this scaffold and its title, we pass this title, and in its home we have the my stateful widget, which is here. This my stateful widget uh, extend state of my stateful widget, and inside we have a boolean variable that is equal to false for the default, and in its build method, or it will return the scaffold. In the body it has a container, and the container aligned it to the center. On its child of this container we have a column. This column also aligned at the center. So also we have icons that showing light bulb outline. It's an icon, and its color is going to be either yellow or black. So the color property and the ternary operator which is used here, if it is black then it's going to be yellow, if it is yellow then it's going to be black when we are clicking. And its size is 60, as you can see here, and this icon wrap with a padding of edge insets at 0.0. And we are going to come here the main topic, which is gesture detector. This gesture detector detect many taps that as we talk and at the beginning of the video. So let's try one of them. As you can see, on tab is implemented on this simple app, but we have many others. How we can use the others? When we are typing this gesture detector and when we type on, then there will be multiple properties that we can use around our app. For example, as you can see, we have the double tap, we have the double tap cancel, force pressed, horizontal, and many things like on long press and so on. As you can see, we can use them on our app, but here we use the on tap of this gesture detector, that when we are tapping on that on something, when we are tapping, then it should do something for us. Inside this gesture detector, on tab of that, we have our set state function that it will update the state. As you can see on the comment, toggle light when tapped. For example, the lighting is on is equal to not lighting is on, then it will work. As you remember that we have the lighting is on is equal to false, it will, when we tap on that, it will take action. And at the last we have another container that the color is yellow, and it has a child text that inside the child also use the ternary operator that if the light is on, the text will be the light off. If it is on, then it will be, if it is off, then it will be turn on with the yellow background with the agent sets of it. So let's see the result, how it works. Let me show you. As you can see on the screen, we have this app which has the icon and also the button here. When I click to this button, the gesture detector will detect this on tab of this button, and then it will change the color of the light, which we define that here. Let's click on the turn light on. As you can see now, the light has changed to yellow, and the text which we put it here then change to turn light off. When we click off, then the color will be black and the turn on light will be appear here. So guys, thank you for watching, and I hope you learned something about the gesture detector, and see you guys on the next video.